This is tip number 2 to survive college chemistry. Stoichiometry help. In other words, you have to be able to do the math problems associated with balanced equations. In order to do them, you have to practice, practice, practice. There are no shortcuts. Chemistry is a lot of work. Here is a rundown of the basic stoichiometry you need to know. You have to be able to calculate gram formula masses for compounds. For elements, you just look up the masses on the periodic table. You have to be able to go between moles and mass and moles using the formula here in number 2. You should already be familiar with it. For number 3, you're taking balanced equations. Mole-mole problem is just a ratio. Moles of one of the substances, whether they're reactants or products, to another. Then you have to be able to do mass-mass problems. You start with mass, you're going to end with mass, but you have to go in and out of moles. Then, if you have more than one reactant, you're going to run out of one of those reactants first. The other one, you're going to have excess left over. So the one you run out of first is a limiting reactant problem, and then whatever you have left over is called an excess reactant problem. You have to be able to do all 6, forwards and backwards, backwards and forwards, before you get to solution stoichiometry, anything associated with gases, volume of gases in stoichiometry, and then delta H, which is enthalpy and stoichiometry. Work on these. There's plenty of YouTubers out there that have short, good videos. Go back to the textbook, find example problems, and practice, practice, practice.